Wow, look at the cool effects. Welcome back, artistic family. Glad you guys are here. I hope everything is well. I appreciate you guys. Please make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss upcoming videos. So today, guys, I am back with my neutrals. Okay, you guys know I love this color palette. I'm not using silver today, just these three. And so I'm just going to use the leftovers as my swipe mix on this one. And of course, black on the background. I'm repouring over an 11 by 14 inch canvas. And I don't know what size this is, but I'm using my Artist Loft palette knife. So let's go ahead and get going. Wow, look at the cool effects. And I knew I would get depth because of the way I layered it and as well as the colors. But you never really know how it's going to look, and just look at that. Just absolutely love it. Love the cells. They could have been a bit betterly formed. Betterly. Where'd I get that word? They could have been formed better. Plus I only have water, and I do find that my paints react differently when I don't use Liquitex and I just use water, basically as the full medium. There's just Floetrol in the white, so that was left over. But these are super cool. I just wish they were formed a little bit better, but my gosh, the shimmer it just never seems to amaze me. I absolutely love it. I'm glad I went in with the white or with the black and took some off. I really love the vertical profile. This here. So that's the profile that I like best. It does give me like this blooming kind of flower feel to it. And I just love the composition. I love where the colors are. I blew just a tiny bit here. Yeah, I really love how this turned out. Anyways, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. If you're not, please like the video if you're still here and you do, and please comment. Again, it lets me know what you guys enjoy. I love interacting with you guys. If there's any suggestions or colors or anything you want me to do, just let me know. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next pour.